Shut up and sit down.
It's season.
There's a boat.
Nastiest gas I've seen the stretch.
Just an idiot. First snow of the season. Ain't she a beaut, if that's the word you want to use for that. Anyway, yeah, it snowed pretty hard last night, as you can tell. It, as with every first snow of the season, it's almost like people kind of forget how to drive in it. Just take this as a public service announcement. Snow is slick. The road crews haven't gone out yet. And they haven't plowed, they haven't put any rock down, they haven't done any of that sort of thing. So it's above slick. So just give yourself some time to get to work. Give yourself extra time to get to the stores, wherever you're going. If you got to get out in this crap, be careful. Just be a little bit on the slower side of things. Watch out for other cars. Be on the defensive. There's always going to be somebody sliding through a stop sign. I saw a couple of wrecks yesterday, and it's unfortunate, and it happens. So just be careful out there, all right? On a side note here, when you go outside to clean the snow off your rigs, make sure you knock it all the way down. Clean it off your roof, your hood, the sides, the back, your lights, bumpers. Get it cleaned off. Make sure to scrape all the ice off your windows. Not just a small area so you can kind of sort of see out. If you leave that snow on there, it has the chance of flying into your windshield or off of your rig into somebody behind you, and we don't want that. Remember, clear vision is extremely important when driving in the snow.